step tonight is to change the symbology of our layers so that they mean something meaningful to us instead of a bunch of random numbers. And we're going to start by changing the symbology of our 2001 layer. If we right click on our layer and come down to properties, it'll open up our properties dialog box. We then want our Symbology tab, where we are going to look at our showing unique values, but we need to change our field to the origin class, and this relates to the different classes and the numbers down here. We need to click Add All Values, and this will add all of the unique values for the 2001 land use layer. And once we've done that, we can click OK, and you'll notice the land use has changed. We now need to change the land use for our 1991 layer. So it is a similar process. Right click and come down to properties, and we're in our Symbology tab again, except this time we're going to import the layer to match the 2001. And we already have it selected there, and we click OK, and they will now match up. Bare, bare, crop, crop, as you can see from there. And we click OK, and now they are all changed. And that completes changing the symbology for both classes. You can now go ahead and use this information to answer the questions in your handout.